We have 3 active tornado warnings in our forecast area that are going on right now. So we've got a possible tornado forming up with our camera. Looks like a funnel cloud may be visible right now on our live camera. This is going to be over Brookley Field. It's tracking towards Broad Street and Michigan Avenue. It looks like it's trying to come down there, Matt. We've got a possible tornado forming up basically live on television here on Fox 10 News. And I believe we do have a tornado right there on our live camera. This is breaking weather news here. We've got a tornado emergency for Mobile. A tornado being reported right now live on our live camera coming across at Brookley Field. Matt, what are you seeing from National Weather Service chat on this one?
Okay, well, just to point out here, folks, we're looking to the south with this camera, kind of giving you an idea. This is near the, oh boy, look at, if you can do the double boxes, David, and bring up the velocity imagery. This one just spun up here on the velocity imagery. Look at that.
Yep.
That's it, straight over Brookley Field right now. So confirmation there of a tornado on the ground.
Yeah, that funnel there, that could be it, Matt, trying to come down. Looks like that's going to be basically right over the I-10 Bayway now, and that has the look.
Yeah.
A possible funnel trying to come together here live on Fox 10 again. Look at it coming down, dropping down out of that wall cloud. We've been watching this thing for a while, and here it is right between Daphne and Mobile. We've got a funnel cloud crossing the I-10 Bayway, and it is connecting up right there with the column, bringing in the moisture in off the water. And this just came across I-10. It is quickly racing across I-10, and it's going to lift across I-10 and head to the north up over the Tensaw Delta. You can see it right there live on the picture here. We saw it as a funnel. We saw it drop down, and then you can see the column extending all the way down here to pretty much the Bayway here. Very scary situation for people traveling on the I-10 Bayway. We just switched cameras. Now we're looking at it from Mobile back towards the east, and there it is right there. You see that rotation area, and I would say at this point it has crossed I-10, so it's going to be moving up over the Tensaw Delta now. But this is that area. That's why we stayed with it here on Fox 10, because we could see the rotation on our radar. We could see the rotation on what we saw in the cloud cover in the visual presentation, and here it is right there. There it is. In fact, look right there. It looks like it's beginning to make contact with the ground there, whether that is just moisture or water or if it's actually debris coming up right now here live on this picture here. That's going to be really close to Five Rivers right here, Matt. It looks like it's coming. That's going to be really close to Ed's Seafood Shed as well.
I think it's a little bit north of there by now. I'm hoping, but I don't know. That's pretty close. I can see the power poles there.
You can see it right there, and this is more than just a water spout because it's on land. And this is Mayor Park right here, and this is going to be the Five Rivers facility. Look at that tree moving right there, Matt. You can see that's definitely a tornado there. You can see this is really moving the trees around. I'm not getting any power flashes, but we've got a tornado possibly on the ground, I would say at this point. You can see it starting to lift back up here. So it may have spun down for a second, and then it's lifting back up. But we've got a tornado confirmed in Mobile near Five Rivers, just crossed the causeway. So it was over I-10. It is now north of I-10 and now north of the causeway, and it's lifting across the Mobile Tensaw Delta, and it looks like it's right over Chocolate Bay. So that would have brought it right across near Tacky Jacks. Yeah. And also a little bit to the east of there as it's been moving across and now up into the Delta proper presently.
And while the Fox 10 Storm Tracker team was warning you about possible tornadoes in the area, many of you witnessed funnel clouds forming over Mobile Bay. Fox 10's Ashlyn Nichols talked with one family that was actually driving when they saw something they'll never forget.
The Dumas family was driving on the Bayway when they got the Fox 10 News weather alert about a tornado warning.
I got a notification on my Apple Watch that there was a tornado warning for Daphne. And so I told my husband, I was like, oh my gosh, we were in Tillman's Corner at the time. I'm like, we need to pull this up. So he was literally watching the coverage. You can hear Jason and Matt in the background on the video. Their coverage, I was super impressed because they were spot on. Like Jason says in the video, he's like, it should be coming across the causeway. And I'm like, it is.
It's literally about to cross the causeway.
There's almost another one. Look right there beside it.
My husband was like, oh my gosh, look, and the tornado started like coming out of the sky, like right before it went over like Ed's right there on the causeway. And then when it went over edge, you could see it. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but I could see it live. Like you could see like dust or sand or whatever, like kicking up debris.
While in the field, we also got that same storm on camera from the pier at Arlington Park near Brookley Airfield. As night fell, the windshield wipers had a hard time keeping up with the rain. Slick roads had MPD and Mobile Fire Rescue responding to several minor accidents. While Mobile, no stranger to wild weather, for Boren, it's the first time he's experienced something like this.
Because I've never felt that pressure change in my body like that. That was crazy. And that was what told me, okay, there's something really going on. That was what really told me, and that was when I grabbed my son and I threw him in the closet, because I've never felt that. I said, when my ears popped and I felt that, I said, okay, yeah, something's going on.